Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm gonna show you how to change your hood support struts on a 2010 Acura TL. You can see this won't hold the hood up, so they're completely gone. All right, so we're just gonna prop this up with a little wood stick just to keep that from falling down on us. Now, these are really easy to change. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver. And you see this little metal clip here, this little band? All you gotta do is pry that out. It'll just come off right like that. You can see this little recess here in this little plastic piece of the, that's where this actually lies when the hood is closed, because this is in its compressed position. But you can see this strut is completely dead. There's nothing there. So same thing on the other side. Just pry this little metal collar, and then at the same time just wiggle that off, and that's it. Here's our new strut right here next to the old one. The ends come in the bag unattached for some reason. Usually these replacements are already screwed on, but we'll go ahead and just thread that on. Easy enough to do. Same with the other side. Just screw those on. Okay, now the straight side goes down, and then this offset goes up. Here's how you put them on. You just line it up and it'll snap in place. And these you can always turn if they're not aligned and just snap it on. And that's it. Let's do the other side real quick. Same thing with the other side here. Just pull that out while you're pulling on the strut. And look, that's completely dead. Same thing. The one that's with a little bend or an offset goes on the shaft side. Just screw that on. The one with the straight head goes on the cylinder side. Usually when I buy these come already attached, but really only took a few seconds to screw that on. Again, putting the new one on, just snap it on. See, this does not line up. You can just spin that, and I'm just gonna spin it clockwise so that it's not loosening the head here. And then just push it on. And you're done. All right, here's the moment of truth. This should now stay up without the aid of our hood prop. Perfect, they work. Nice and strong. Definitely not gonna fall down on anyone now. And that's it. You can see hood stays up, goes up on its own. Super easy job. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up some of the parts and tools used in the video as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.